Mic check. Okay. These up. Okay. Sidekick. think this Discord is not necessary, but show my face. Okay. Resolution differences. 1 minute. Namaste, namaste. मैक्स इंडिया मॉडल है. ओके ये बढ़ा देते हैं. ఏం సంగతులు ల్యాబ్ అయింది మంచిగా లేదా గాన్ కేసా కిందికి రా. కొంచెం లెఫ్ట్ జరుగు. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫైన్. బ్యాక్ టు గేమింగ్. పడిపోతున్నాను. షో మై ఫేస్. బ్యాక్ టు గేమింగ్. టు గేమింగ్ అని చెప్పడం అంటే oh, that's the problem. Okay, let's update that part of the code. Putting stream assistant stream 11 no. Live start background. Okay, live start. Live start. Oh. Start. Okay, back to gaming 2 or back to gaming, which one is it? Back to gaming notepad. Notepad scene is main. Done. Show my face. Back to gaming. Okay, done. Respect. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let's fix this. This widget is taking a lot more time, so putting others box. Takes some time. Blocks. Okay. Index.md layouts. Single HTML. I think this is the Discord section. Okay. Discord HTML widget. There is no customization, bro. The interactive widget is also perfect for fan sites with a public server. Let's do this. Theme dark ID. This is the ID. Okay. Gamers then. Gamers then. Server settings. Is there anything for widgets? Members, rules? No. I'm gonna go back. G access. Let's just do this. We'll create a similar UI looking for this. I'm going to copy the classes. This one. Copy full path now. Else when it loads. Uses an edge SVG icon or some of these are not loading, but I don't know what are those. CDN Discord widget avatar. Okay. Widget. Keys and CDN. So Discord is actually taking a big toll on my site. So I think it's better to compromise this section or have a separate section. Let's do this. Okay, let's do this. npm start. Yes. Shoe search. వచ్చావా శుభోదయం ఇప్పుడైనా లేవడం Chrome PNG page not found. Okay. Okay, let's pull this CSS. Okay, this is the entire class. Why would you dislike? What did you didn't like? Why would you dislike, bro? Um, Discord. It's not working. No, text. No. Okay. Discord. Profile Hugo here. Do I have it here? Okay, build code. Restart extensions. Yes. Prettier code formatting. Accept. This is the doc Discord section. So instead of this, I will be using dev slash Discord. I think that's what I created. Discord. Okay. It's widget logo. Class widget logo. It's nothing. Okay, these are all needed then. Okay. Copy instead of this. Style. Paste. I think that's it. What is the font for this? Oh, we won't have that font. Okay. Inspect. Copy element. Element instead of text. It should be this. I think I need color picker. What is the color for this, bro? Color picker extension. Allow in incognito. Yes. Okay, we have copied the color. Background is goes to this. It's black. Why is it black? Discord SVG. Discord logo white SVG. Here this is the span. Thanks for the like, guys. Thank you, whoever liked it. Peace. Background style div right here. And where is this div? This is for this. Then oh, this is this one. I wish we have these formatting things. Okay, did a tag, close a tag, span tag. Okay, done. Perfect, perfect. So this is the Discord class. Let's say this is the icon and this is the overall link. So that means this section should be outside of this. And here, this one should be here. Okay, perfect. I don't think I need a class for this. Style Discord. Okay, background. This will have the icon now. Copy. What? Okay, this will have the icon. This is the SVG icon. And what else? I think that should be fine. Let's see. I have the icon, but it's in a different color. Is it already white? I want white color, please. Okay, it's there. Added. Okay, that's fine. Now inspect. This is the SVG. Should height be 100 pixels. That's 100. Okay. What is the height for this icon? 34. Okay, let's copy all these and paste it for our SVG. Well, not here. It should be here. Okay, I have something. So now copy these, paste it for the SVG. SVG style. I don't basically need a background. So width, transition, yep, it's fine. Okay, that seems similar. It's fine. Why is there? So this background should be applied for everything, not just for this one. So there is no need for another division. There is no need for another division. So you can ignore the width, you can ignore height, auto, market blank, ignore this. So we have something. So now what is this icon? Oh, I need Discord, like that icon. Okay, Discord logo with text. Is that an image, bro? Where can I download, bro? Download logo. I would need RGB, SVG. Okay, this is perfect. I would just inspect and copy the SVG. That's what I'm going to do. But element, and then paste it right here. Perfect. I got the official Discord logo. This is not needed. I can decrease the height of this. So basically, it can be something less. That's good. Okay. And then we set a flex box for this. Yep. Display flex. Oh, we already have it display flex. Flex direct then row flex grow. Justify content space around space between. Ooh, okay. Now I'm supposed to copy these and paste it in the Discord class. We don't need this. It's done. Then where is this text? Body Discord widget. Okay. Footer. Nice. So this one, I need all these class. CSS class. Just color white. Okay. style. Let's think about this Reacts. Oh, did I not set this height for this? 20 pixels, okay. 20, 20. It is set, okay, background. It needs to have color picker. Jagdeep, show my face. Show my face. Show my face. कैसे हो पाजी? वेलकम वेलकम, बहुत दिन हो गए या। देखो, देखो काम करता है लेकिन मुझे गैप देना पड़ता है। क्या चल रहा है? कुछ नहीं ब्रो, आई गॉट इंजर्ड डूइंग अ बेंच प्रेस, इसीलिए एक हफ्ता स्ट्रीम नहीं किया। उसके बाद स्ट्रीम पे आया था एक दिन, लेकिन समझ में आया कि बहुत लोड हो रहा है, सो आई टुक फ्यू मोर डेज ब्रेक। अभी क्या बोलते हैं, ये जो रोलर वगैरह रहता है ना, ब्राइटनेस कम करो यार। सो ये लगा लगा के अभी दर्द नहीं हो रहा है, अब सब सेट, बैक टू गेमिंग। या अभी ऐसा, so I was using a lot of my phone, so I was in Twitter and etc. I visited my website. For some reason on mobile, it's taking a lot of time to load this Discord widget, and then I realized in network tab, Discord is not really allowing my CDN. चला गया देखो. So yeah, I decided to remove this Discord widget completely from mobile, but still have the Discord link. So I'm just trying to recreate without using a Discord API or something. Obviously, I won't be having this information. All my people who are online or etc. It just has joined Discord. That's it. I think it's fine. 3031 or something. Understood. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. This should be, where's the join button? Right here. Startup पे काम करते हैं, कौन सी? तो I mean you are going, or you want to talk something? बताओ, I'm out of ideas, bro. I want to do something. Oh, I'm working. Oh, your AI thing, order radius. Good luck. Order radius is 5 pixels. Yeah, 5 is perfect. Okay. It's in the Discord. 5 pixels. चले जाओ तो चांद तक नहीं. Thanks for the like. जगदीप तुम ही like किया. Okay, yes, thanks. चलेगा तो चांद तक, नहीं तो रात तक. Yeah, I don't really have any projects right now. Thanks for the like. So that means Jagdeep has didn't like when he joined the stream, but so that means someone else liked the stream. So show my face. Respect. वो इतना छोटा क्यों आ रहा है? Back to gaming. Let me fix. वो इतना छोटा क्यों आ रहा है यार? Dude, that's too small. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, भाई चलो ना कुछ कोड अकेडमी जैसा बनाते हैं. मैंने 25% काम कर भी दिया है, to be honest. Code Academy. So you take the lead, assign me like एक component बनाओ, मैं बना के दे देता हूँ. I don't have that much capacity. कोर्सेस बनाना है क्या? मतलब मैं सोचा कोडिंग बनानी है. मतलब if you want some help from me, I can. कोर्सेस में कहाँ बनाऊंगा यार, खुद उतना नहीं जानता हूँ. सी अभी ये हो गया समझ लो. अब दिस इज वर्किंग. कौन सा बताओ? एडमिन पैनल के लिए क्या चाहिए? So now I can remove this. This is not needed anymore. Let's see. Disable cache. How do we set? Page find UI. Obviously, won't be available right now. Okay. What is this? Android Chrome. Need an admin panel like WordPress. जहाँ जगह कोड वगैरह भी यूजर ऐड कर पाएंगे. What? Like Medium. You want an admin panel like WordPress? So in WordPress we can like drag and drop things, but we can also add custom CSS or JavaScript if you want to. वो कोई छोटा काम है क्या? I tried it. ऐसा like कुछ मिला नहीं है मुझे, इसीलिए I moved from WordPress and started using Hugo. I want I wanted to have something. That's the main selling point of WordPress. Dude, it took years for WordPress to develop that admin panel. तुम्हारे सर्वर पे वॉइस पे आऊं? Yeah, if you want to, yeah, no problem. You can join. Yeah, let's something. You can join this. Oh, okay. Let me decrease the sound 80%. Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay, मैं थोड़ा वॉल्यूम कम कर लेता हूँ. Okay, बताओ. हम्म. जानता हूँ. ठीक है. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. ओके. हम्म. नहीं. देखते हैं. देख मतलब सुना है कोड एकेडमी. कोड एकेडमी एकेडमी नहीं. ठीक. ओह. सब साइन इन पूछते हैं. हम्म. कोई एग्जाम्पल नहीं है क्या? कोड एकेडमी. वैसे क्या है ये, मतलब सीखने के लिए? चल देखते हैं. कोई तो. अब बताओ. कौन सा इसमें एडमिन पैनल रहता है क्या? ओके. कोई भी. ओके. ओके. ओके, ठीक है। हम्म। ये ऐसा कॉपी करके, हम्म, कॉपी करके पेस्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। रन कर सकते हैं, ये एग्जीक्यूट होगा। बताओ बताओ। हम्म। ठीक है। ऐसा। ओके, दोबारा फ्रॉम बेसिक्स। सो तुम्हें ऐसा कोई कंपोनेंट चाहिए, तो टेक्स्ट वाइज तो वो तो डीबी में सेव होगा, ठीक है। अभी ये कोड वो भी डेटाबेस में ही स्टोर होगा ना। और तो ठीक है। और वहां फिर टेक्स्ट हो गया, तो तुम्हें एग्जैक्टली क्या चाहिए इसमें? ओके, वो हम डाल सकते हैं वैसे, by using इसको क्या बोलते हैं, आई थिंक दे आर आल्सो यूजिंग markdown bro, you can see they are using markdown. This is pure. So in markdown you can, yes, this is pure markdown. Yeah, it renders in html, but it is markdown. They have wrote this thing in markdown, and in markdown we can just simply write code directly. So you need something called markdown, markdown to html. There is a packages in react and a lot of convenient. I don't know shadow.com. What is this? You can see bidirectional markdown to HTML to markdown converter written in JavaScript. You need something like this. You will save the entire markdown in database. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? You will save this entire markdown in database, and then it will be pulled in as markdown, and then JavaScript, this library or whatever it is, it's going to convert into HTML, something like this. This is what Hugo does. You can see exactly, but you can apply your own stylings if you want. If you don't want blue color, you can just change the color for yourself. So that's what Hugo is, which is, we can see I wrote entire content in Markdown. It would just convert it in into HTML. Of course, I need to apply my own CSS, so which is inside layouts. So blogs, single, I have my own CSS. It takes some time to set up. Once it's setting up, once it sets up, it's really simple. Something like this. We can go to a blog. Let me show. I don't think I have anything code wise. Oh, I have one site. I have one site. Second. So blogs. I think Caddy will have code inside it. This Caddy. So yeah, something like this. We can see code. I also have copy. Also file name. So this thing is written in Markdown somewhere here. Blogs. Setup Caddy. Yeah, you don't need Hugo for this. You just need this package where you write this logic in Markdown, and it will be it's easier to write in Markdown. I would suggest to do that instead of writing in HTML, etc. It's better to do that. Yep. Even in Markdown, it can take more time to style everything, and once it's the template is done, it will save you a lot of time. The moment I look at this, I realize that it's Markdown. So yeah, this one is that is the thing. Yeah, you have to use Markdown. Not only this Code Academy, everyone uses Markdown. We can go to Fireship as well. Fireship IO has everything in Hugo itself. This entire website is written in. Oh, did it crash? Yeah, Firefox. No, Fireship. I'll remove except tabs. So this entire website, it is also e-commerce learning thing. It is also written in Hugo, but they are using React components because obviously Hugo is a static site builder. Once it develops the template, but everything goes inside this is static or dynamic, which is written in, let's see, courses, labs. This stuff is purely Hugo. See, this is Markdown. Oh, you want me to share my screen? Because it would save your time instead of. Okay. Fine. So, yeah. So, what are your issues using this then? So you will be saving the entire Markdown in database. Then you will just pull the Markdown, and that's it. Or else, if you don't want to pull it from Markdown, you have to come to something like this, Hugo, where you generate the sites on your machine and it will be uploaded. That's the reason these sites are really fast because these are static sites. So the moment you press in, you can see it's loaded really fast. Why? Because I didn't really visit this site too often, so don't think like it's cached. It's already re-rendered. It's already rendered and saved in HTML. So that's the difference between Hugo. So if you pull in the data, if you open your website and you pull in the data from database, it would take some time to convert the markdown into HTML. But humanly, it's not. I don't think it would be that heavy to that customers will be waiting. Okay, let's wait for it to convert from markdown to HTML. No, that won't be happening. But it's still slower than static. It's a written rule. Static is faster than dynamic. So what were you asking? Yes. So you want to have a editor for Markdown? Mhm. It says live, but I don't see. I don't know what button to press in order to watch. Okay. Yep. Okay. Done. Ready. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. Hmm. On the right side. Hmm. Okay. What are you using for code editor? Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. Data type variables. Yeah, but what is the use of data type variables in HTML? Okay, so okay, you are doing in a different way. That is not what industry uses. So in order for you to grow, you need to use what the standards are in the industry. You cannot choose a different path and complain about you're wasting too much time. That is the reason there are a lot of tools people have developed it. So you also need to do that. So I have a better example for you, better idea. So you see these pages from description. Okay, let me use. Okay, one second, one second. Watch my screen. Uh, I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, you can close it. You can close it. So, uh, okay, it's fine. So this is your main panel. So what I would do in your place is not to rewrite everything. So let I will keep it as simple as this. So there are two ways. One, there is I won't be doing it in HTML or anything. I will directly go to Markdown. That is the industry standard. I will suggest you to do this. I recommend you to do this. If you want to do it manually using HTML and stuff, I don't know. I wouldn't go in that approach. So it's up to you. So if you want to use Markdown, there are two ways. One, to incorporate this inside your application, or two, to use Markdown based static websites like these, which edit this component, which generates this component, and you will have the HTML for it. You can save these HTML inside your application. So there are two ways. Let's say this is your app. Uh, let's say this is your app. And the first way is obviously to directly send Markdown to this app. This app will have a JavaScript, uh, some package. It's going to convert into HTML. Okay. Obviously, this way you have more control. You have more. The moment you have more control, that means it takes more time to develop things. It's like, so you need to define the stylings, you need to define a lot of things. But you have more control. You can do whatever you want, but you need to spend more time. So if you remove this job from your main core application and give it to some other, let's say Hugo, you can pick, there are a lot simpler tools to do this. Let's say you write your HTML, you write your Markdown, you generate your HTMLs right here. And you can save these HTML in database or somewhere, and you can pull them here. So among these two, what do you want to go with? So what I'm saying is, it's like a microservice, so that you can give this job to some other teams, so they will be writing their content right away, right away, right away, and you just need to pull it in the app. Yes. If you don't do this, my issues I see, as I deal with a lot of architecture in my work as well, it will be a lot heavy load on one single application, development wise as well as maintenance wise. So the moment you start micro front-ending things, where once your application grows, you can set these to some other people, or you can just write them. Okay, all you guys need to do is just write Markdown and generate the HTMLs. This application doesn't need to be hosted, or it doesn't need any resources in the cloud. It's just on your local. So once these HTMLs are generated, you don't have to save it or anywhere. You can save it as a plain text inside your application itself in order to save some time or load times, or else you can save it in the database and pull the HTML itself, just like what you're doing. But you're writing manual HTML. Instead of that, you was basically you write templates. Obviously, time will be taken to write templates, but you already wrote a template for your code wise. So you just need to maintain the same template and assign those. Okay, for p tag, use this. For p tag with let's say you have some custom headings, so you mention some other thing and you assign it. And that markdown, the Hugo will do its job. It generates the template for you. As simple as that. And you don't really, if you want, if you let's say if you want to change the color for one, you only have to do it for one template and it's going to be applied for everything. And in Hugo, we can also develop short codes where let's say something like these. You see this widgets. This is everything is a short code so that I can use this same template in some other places. And if I change that short code, it's going to be updated everywhere. It will save me time. But in order to develop that, it takes 10 to 20 minutes, depending on your speed. But once you have the template, all I do now is just go and write markdown, and so you can see in this way, it does its job. So this image is a short code. So if I initially I only wanted to show the image, then I realized okay, it's better to zoom in the image. So what I do, I don't update all the files. I just go to the image shortcode and update it, and it's going to be updated. So industry is developing in this way. So you have to follow the same in order to maintain the speed and efficiency. Yep. So take some time to generate a template. Use it. So what do you think about these? So if you don't want to get into too complicated right now, the simplest way is write markdown, generate a template, and do it inside your app. It's fine. You can break this. You can like break this link and then switch to Hugo as well. Maybe in future there might be something better than Hugo, but think about it. Can I? Uh, can I able to do that? Mm, I'm not speaking anything. So the thing is, Mhm. Okay. I so first thing in my entire day I only have few hours. Okay. And after 14th I will be really too busy until 6 months, until October 2nd. So something's happening, so I will have less time from 14th. From 15th actually, yeah. So I will be able to share my knowledge and guidance. That's what I can do. But I don't want to. Yeah, I already have enough load from my work, bro. Sometimes I have to sit more than 8 hours or 10 hours just to design some things. After eight, I log out at 8 or 7, and after that I do dinner and I feel drop dead. There is no way I can still work on something else. So yeah, yeah, up to you. I can provide you guidance and how to do things. I can just recommend it to you. So don't really feel afraid of Markdown. It's really easy. Once you have the template, you will feel relaxed. Try it. Hmm. Hmm. So so users can write in this section, and is that also saved in database? So that means users can also edit this. I don't think Code Academy has that feature. I don't think we as a users can edit this. Hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, you didn't tell this before? I thought when you said editor, I thought about code editor, not as a human editor. Okay. Okay. So you need. I understand now. I understand now. Let's rethink. Okay. So let's start from the beginning. So they also want to use this Monsters Land website. From that website only, they can use it. Hmm. There are a lot of solutions. No, yeah, sorry. Mentors Land. Okay, Mentors Land. Okay. There are a lot of solutions. I'm just thinking which one is efficient and easier to develop. Mm, okay. I'm not going to suggest micro frontend for now. Let's say the same application. It's hosted. Uh, mhm. Laravel. What was the need for Laravel? Okay. So use a why not just use a different application for editors? Give them a different app instead of using the same application because that's going to be developed in a different direction than this. You will decrease the so instead of mentors land, let's say mentors land admin or something. The code wise, those won't be in a single application. They will be in a different app. So this can be used React and that can use something else. So in that way, they will write the markdown right there and they will also see the output. Okay, this is how it looks. And they will press submit and those will be added to the database. So the bridge between these two applications will be the database instead of mixing two applications into one. You don't really need a new domain or something. It's you can also set out just a subdomain and it would work fine. So that way you can break the line between what the customers are going to use and what the editors are going to use. So for that app, hmm hmm hmm, yeah, that is also required. Okay. This is a heavy application. If you bundle everything into one JavaScript bundle, it's going to increase the load times and browser RAM usage. So that's why I recommend to split the admin section in a different application. You can use whatever language you want, Angular, React, Next, whatever it is. So the architecture for that is going to be this. So one side it's going to be code and the other side is going to be the output so that they can see what garbage they are writing here and some beautified, let's say the logo, the heading and code. So the moment they write, it's going to be doing a live conversion. So we are going to use the same package which we use for this application so that the styles going to look exactly the same. So forget Hugo. For this use case, you will have your markdown to HTML kind of a thing package. That will also be used here. So there will be a common bridge, which is custom stylings or whatever you apply. Those will be for these two applications. Those should be maintained similar. They cannot be different. So that editors are going to see some color and users are going to be seeing some color. No. So this package, both are same, but whatever the template you are going to use, you can save it in a database or whatever. It's going to be the same for these two. So now they're right here. They see the output. Once they are satisfied, they press a button, and this markdown will be saved in the database. And from there, it's you can just pull it directly. So you don't have to convert into HTML or anything. I think this is better for you. Text into markdown and mark. So you don't want to write markdown. You want to write text. Hmm. Hmm. For that thing, we might need a little bit more efforts. So that means we need to have a strict template. So we need to show, okay, this here we have the heading, here we have the paragraph. So the moment they type in here, our code understands that, okay, this is a heading. The moment they start typing here, oh, it's a description, something, something, something. So yeah, ultimately code blocks, we have to go with code blocks. So there are tools which are developed for this, but I don't think those are free. Let's see. Yeah, I understand now. I understand now. So yeah, there is only one way, which is blocks. So heading block, description block, code blocks. The more blocks you create in future, the more options you have. And obviously, we can use drag and drop things. I think you're enough for this for React. So this is my idea. This is my idea. Okay, this is the page. We have the blocks. Let's say title block, description block, code block. What are the other things? Image block, etc., etc., etc. Okay, for the writer will come. Okay, I need to add a like what do you call this title block. So he will add a title block. You can use drag and drop. You can use slash command. You can use mouse. Doesn't matter. Let's say title block. So he will write a title. Then he realized, oh, instead of description, I want to write a piece of code. So he'll do the code block. This is the only way I think it's possible efficiently and without many errors because you only have limited options in this way. So you say title, description, image, etc., etc. You can add few more if needed, but this won't break the application. You cannot, the editor cannot create custom components which could break things. In medium.com. Okay, you're saying in medium.com, everything is a login these days. Uh, uh, Share your screen. Show me how Medium actually works. Mhm. So the even I'm sure they might be using some similar idea. Let's see. Mhm. I'm not seeing your screen right. Yep. I think I saw the option. Okay. See, that's the thing. You okay? Yeah. Then you press plus. Press the plus icon. Yeah, that's the thing. But we can see those are the blocks I'm referring to. How did you enable those extra options? Okay. And go to the plus option You should be seeing, yeah, those are the blocks I'm referring to: image block, media block, code block, whatever the last two are. Those are predefined blocks. Those are predefined blocks. So obviously, yeah, we can implement a feature. When you press enter, it will be a static block, let's say like paragraph block. But if they want to change it to an image block, they can. These are, I'm telling you the best case. This is what industry also uses. So in, trust me, they are going to convert this into Markdown and save it. That's the reason medium blocks, every block looks the same. So this is pure Markdown. Yes. Even Markdown also has the same exact options. They are applying their own stylings for that. That's it. Yes. And once they receive it, yeah, go ahead. Yes, we have. But if you want more options, obviously you need to customize it. There are a lot of Git repositories to add Markdown language. Again, if so, you are not really writing Markdown here, but it's going to be converted. So the idea which I give is, I'm not saying use drag and drop. I'm just saying, okay, you will have some predefined blocks, just like how they showed Markdown. Can you hear me? I think my PC got stuck. Hello? I don't know what's happening. Probably it's stuck. I don't see the chat now. 1 second. I might need to restart. 1 second. Uh, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yep. Yep. Oh, okay. Stop it, please. I feel cringe watching my own stream. Close. Okay. So yeah, I don't know what happens for some reason. So you need to define some blocks. That's how everyone does it. There's no. So don't try to invent the wheel again. So there are things which are already defined. There are also. Hey, gaming kids, welcome back, bro. So you. Hey, 5 likes. I don't know. So now you understand what I'm trying to say. These blocks, I'm not recommending you to use drag and drop. I'm just saying, okay, you need to define some blocks. So obviously you have some custom. If you don't have custom styling, I'm Chirag coming, bro. Project full of errors. What project you are using, Gaming Kids? I think Gaming Kids is using some system engineering things. I don't know C++ much. Or is he using? Is it? I think he's doing something with video calls, if I'm right. I'm not sure. I forgot, or maybe I'm mixing things from different people. Okay, I think you got what you're supposed to do, uh, Jagdeep. So that's the thing. First, you need any library. I Yeah, yeah. Oh, these are okay. This guy has rental website idea. No, that's not the right. That's not the idea you shared with me, Gaming Kids. You told me something about. Was it you? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Then this rental one is new. I didn't really hear heard about rental. JWT, it's not worse, bro. JWT is the standard. It's the one who's, which is saving a lot of security. If you hate JWT, then there is no security. Okay. So yeah, define some blocks. So Jagdeep, I would suggest, I recommend you this. Chirag, yeah. Okay, I'll explain JWT. Relax. It's simple, but you need to handle it. Don't. Okay. So Jagdeep, I'm not a marketing expert or something, but I know how to develop applications. So what I suggest is build the fundamental blocks first, which you are sure that you might be reusing things later. Then go with the UI facing things. Your website currently looks good. It's awesome. This is the first time I'm looking at it. Oh, you removed it. Okay, cool. So it looks good. It's, yeah. Okay, cool. Let's hide it. So it looks good, but you didn't develop the core blocks which you need. So obviously the left side of the section is a core block. You didn't think about it. After you develop the website, you thought, okay, now how can I add the content inside it? First, develop the engine, then the car parts, so that your production will be a lot faster. Now the application is ready, it looks good, but you are struggling to, okay, how to speed up this process. So develop that feature first, then you can assign that work to someone. The the work, I mean, the content is will be getting posted. Once there is enough content, you can work on your website. You can change the colors, you can change the blocks from this place to this place. Doesn't matter. So even Fireship IO started with one blog. There was only one blog, but he developed this entire template, and then in just a 4 to 5 days, he has like 150 blogs. So everyone first develops in templates. Okay, what is the main components I need in this application? Okay, a code editor and this one. You put a lot of effort on code editor. I didn't really test it. It's working fine, I guess. But the main thing, which is the content in your website, you didn't really build a pipeline for that in order to increase the content more. Obviously, the more content you have, the better it is. No one is going to stick in your website for too long if you only have one blog. How much are they going to stare at your logo? Oh, this logo seems nice. Oh, this one seems nice. So yeah, take time, take few days, develop the thing. But you need to have a pipe which lets users or whatever the editors you call them to post the content fast. If you don't have that pipe first, you're bottlenecking your application. You know the word bottleneck? Okay, so open that bottleneck wide so that more water can come inside. All right, enough for the pep talk. I forgot what I was doing today. Uh, yep, yep. So gaming kits, JWT. What language you're using, bro? JavaScript, TypeScript. Manas Upadhyay. Hello, hello, Manas. Welcome to the stream. Show my face. This seems new, Manas Upadhyay. I'm going to call you Manas. Welcome to the stream. There are cool things you can do in this using the commands. I can go one by one, but yeah, let's introduce ourselves. Myself, Blazing Bane. Yeah, that thing. There is no achievements as of now yet. I just crossed 2,000 subscribers, so thanks for them. Yeah, most of my channel involves programming. That's the highest amount of content. Then gaming, slightly below. After that, I also post some weird live streams like setting up a bed, cleaning my room, etc. So yeah, what are your hobbies? Do you play games, or are you interested in programming, or what are the other things? Back to gaming. So coming to commands, uh, there is speak command and few other things. So I can share those things, but I don't want to just. I just gave lead code context and it got crashed. Oh, even my browser just got crashed today. This is the first time, and it crashed the entire UI. My both monitors went blank and then came back again. I don't know what's happening. Firefox crash reporter. Yeah, see, even this reporter got crashed. Entire Firefox is. Oh, someone liked my stream. Thanks for the like. I didn't turn on this. Okay, so are you on LinkedIn? Yes, but I hate LinkedIn. There is nothing really much on my LinkedIn anyways. So yeah, close Firefox. Thank you. I only keep. I don't really post much. Yep, I'm done. So Manas, if you like my stream, something will happen. If you dislike my stream, something will happen. There is a speak command. I hate LinkedIn. I don't think there is any other person in the world who hates LinkedIn than me. You have subscribed, but I didn't see a subscribe token. I think the one which the like animation was from you, but I forgot to turn on that. So so yeah, try disliking it and then liking it again. So yeah, try disliking it, something will happen. I have developed this. I'm proud to share this, and it works. Don't listen to Jagdeep. You can dislike it and then remove the dislike. It's fine. Just dislike it, let the animation do its job, and then you can like it again. What was I trying to do? Yeah, I think I'm done for this. Okay, yeah, give it a try. Give it a try. Why would you dislike, bro? Why would you dislike? Now give my like back. I'm going to curse you. Give my like back. If you don't like, thank you. So yeah, there are other cool things you can do, but I can share those things slowly. There is speak command that you can control what appears on my face. You can control what layout I'm showing you. You can, if you want to see my face, you can just type exclamation face and it's going to show my face. There are other cool things. I can go one by one if you want. Yep. Hey, that's advanced for you, Jagdeep, but there are basic industry standards. I recommend you to first, before you write something, talk to ChatGPT. Tell it, hey, I want to develop this thing. How others would do this? This will save you a lot of time. Don't jump into conclusions. Because I used to do the same and I waste a lot of time. Trust me, it might feel harsh, but I'm telling you to save time for yourself. I always start some project and then realize, okay, there is a better one in GitHub already, which does the exact same thing and even more. So explore what others are doing first, then okay, pick up the best tools, start it. So yeah, Manas, yeah, you can use the speak command. Manas already has 12 points. So there is a thing called points, but as of now everything is free. So yeah, I think this looks good. I'm going to post this single page Discord update. Oh, I don't know how it looks in the big screens. Responsive. Close this place. Hey, do I need this big? Does it need to be this big? Let's set it a width. Width 100. Oh no, fit content. Okay. Margin 0 auto. Okay. I think I need a little bit more space. 300 pixels. I set it like 80%. This looks fine. Okay, let's copy this. And how does it look in iPhone SE? Well, it needs 100% on this one and 100% on that one. Full media screen. I don't know what to use it. ChatGPT. Okay. I need to use 100% width for mobile and tablets. Give me that at the rate media logic. Oh, did Manas left already? Strange. Okay. Max width. Is this the right amount? Discord. Discord. See how does it look? Looks perfect. Looks perfect. Okay, done. Discord updated. commit. And the moment I sync this, give it some time, and it's going to, oh, fetched 4 weeks ago. Probably I did something on live. Let me just do a git fetch so that I don't have any conflicts. Nope, everything's fine. Okay, sync changes. Give it like 2 to 5 minutes, and it's going to update my live website. Cloudflare. Login, please. Hey, this thing looks cool, man. Is it a video or a 3D thing? It's an SVG, but this thing looks cool, isn't it? It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Login, please. Verify you are a human. Yes, I am a human. Manas, you're here, bro? You just left out of thin air. Why? You didn't like something on my stream? Feeling sad? I don't know. Do I have these many viewers? That too in 24 hours? I don't think so. Trying to solve a problem. What problem? Oh, you're doing lead code? I heard you're doing lead code. Is that what you're trying to do? What made you think to watch my stream while doing lead code? I mean, that's a good thing. I'm fine with it, but why? You haven't used the speak command, right? It's going to be awesome. Normally, my old viewers or my regular viewers use that speak command a lot. So rules, workers, uh, web pages. There should be something here. Back please, back please. Okay. I'm a moderator for LeetCode. I expose cheaters. I go on YouTube and other streaming platforms like Bilibili and expose cheaters. Really? I mean, you are a moderator on LeetCode. You expose cheaters. I go on YouTube and other streaming platforms like Bilibili and expose cheaters. NPM run. Well, been there. I have done that, so it's okay. It's okay. You know what? Once I didn't turn on my number lock. There is a context going on. Leak code context contest. Sorry. Yeah. What is it about? Is it this? Oh, I'm not really that good at lead code, bro. The green one, I think this is the one. What is this? There are problems. I suck at lead code, bro. I'm 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 good with architecture, but for some reason I haven't really done much lead code in my entire life. Do you guys think I need to start doing it? I am more interested in doing projects which help me or my YouTube or some others. But for some reason, yeah, two sum. I have done 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 it during an interview. One was I was asked this two sum problems. I don't hate this platform. It's a good platform, but I think it's overrated. There are a lot of good things and creative things you can do without doing lead code. But yeah, I feel like I'm I'm falling behind of these data structures. Do you guys think we need to start something like this, lead code? Go for four sum. For two sum, I used a priority queue or something. Lead code. Total questions, I only hardly saw like 10 questions, I guess. For this context, yeah, there are seven. One, two. The three means three questions or what? You can't participate unregistered before you can't. Okay. Uh, is it so? Let's say there are four questions. I don't know what this three means. Minimum operations to make array sum divisible by k. I hate some of the question text in lead code. They make it so complicated. Non-ascending, non-descending. Just call it ascending or descending, bro. Total, which language? I don't think we have a limitation for language what we are going to use. I think we can use any language. You're asking me? I hate Python, but Python is the only language I use for lead code. Other than lead code, I don't see any purpose for me using Python. Yes. You solve in which? In my VS Code. Yeah, you are. Yeah, I'm aware of that. Yeah. Once it's done, let me know. I solve it normal VS Code. I didn't really solve in lead code. Please my platform after I launch it. Yep. Once you launch it, then yeah, I'm going to give it a try for sure. Sign in. Let me sign in, bro. Please. Hey Jagdeep, did you see it before Firefox crashed and it opened a crash reporter and even that crash reporter has crashed. So we forgot the great Manas. What were you reporting to then? This doesn't seem like cheaters or a context switch. I mean, how hard that could be to also crash a crash reporter? All it needs to do is just pull the logs and just submit it. Even that has crashed. Sign in, please. Did it sign in or not? Yeah, people are saying there's going to be a recession again. Companies believe they're going to be. It doesn't matter if you believe or I believe. If companies believe that they're going to face a recession soon, there will be a recession. Doesn't matter what banks believe or financial institutions believe. Everything revolves around companies. Politicians also revolve around like companies. If company says that yeah, I think there is going to be a recession, they are getting ready for it. What's the stock market doing? Yeah, it's why is it dropping now? Oh, it's for March. Okay, one day. Yeah, it's fine. Fort Knox. Yep. This one nation can disrupt the entire stock market for all countries. Hey, Manas, you got 20 points, man. So Relangi Mama is my bot. I didn't really introduce that to you, but as you are busy in lead code, so but yeah, let me just drop some introductions. So Relangi Mama is my bot. It handles a lot of things like how many likes I got, what comments I'm getting, etc. So it knows how many messages you sent, and you can go into my website blazingpen.com. You can go to YouTube and you can see Manas Upadhyay. You are a new user. You joined 12 2025 today's date, and this is your first stream. Once you stay consistent, you will obviously see a different streams here. So the last comment you said is it's a bot, which is live. This is another website. This is not running on localhost. I'm not lying to you. Yeah, just needs a little bit more work. It doesn't look that great. But again, that's the difference between me and Jagdeep Singh. He makes applications looks good, but less content. But I have a lot of content on my website. but I don't really feel like, and let's take some time and make it look beautiful. But yeah, I appreciate Jagdeep's UI. It's good looking. Yeah. So Anton, I don't know. It's been a long time, Anton. So yeah, that's the thing. This is your user ID, which is generated by me. Jagdeep, relax. I'm just making fun. That's it. You're a lot better than me. You have a whole team working. Oh, yeah, no problem. So Jagdeep, what I told was my website doesn't look good as yours. Internships are so gaming is saying that it's getting hard for him to find internships. I'm going to say what I told about you, Jagdeep. Give me 1 minute. Internships, I if you're still in college, bro, then try for on campus itself. Once you're outside out campus, I don't think for mere mortals like you and me, we are going to find it easy to find an internship or job. So, Jagdeep, what I was saying is my website has content, but it doesn't look good. But in your website, it looks awesome, but you're struggling to find like add content. So I was trying to roast you, but you're not here. It's not my fault. I was trying to pull your leg, but you gone somewhere to talk to your three girlfriends. So yeah, Manas, this is one thing. So Reling handles all these things. So if you're still here, you can use speak command, which what Gaming Kids is using. And what are the other things? Respect. Nice. Welcome. Did I enable welcome? Welcome. Not medical, you damn it. Welcome. I don't think welcome is still active. Is it active? Let me test. Let me test. Is it active, guys? Yeah, I think I need to work on that welcome part. It's awesome. Yeah. But I don't think you will find a job based on Golang yet. So learn Python, learn Java, learn TypeScript, few tools, and with these you will be able to find a job in on-campus jobs. But if you are outside of a campus or you are already graduated, then it would be difficult. But I don't know. But it's easier to find a job in India than in US. So yeah, Manas, I'm currently in US, bro. Yeah, that's the thing. In order to get into the industry, you definitely need TypeScript or JavaScript and React or Angular. But if you want to go work with MNCs, they need resource. Okay. Yeah, that's the one thing, Manas, you can use the speak command. So, so there is this tool, there is Playground. So it doesn't look intuitive, but it's awesome. But if you want to learn, there is this handbook. You can go into basics. So it looks lengthy, but each word makes a meaning. If you have time, do this. If you don't have time, then just directly jump into TypeScript. Put any's anywhere you see an error, just put any's. Maybe time to time, just try some interfaces and then come back to this website. If you don't know what interface is, then just do it. Types for tooling, TSC, emitting an error, explicit types. You have almost everything you need to learn from here. This is everyday types. That means the moment you start typing TypeScript, you need this. So try using this. It's It's perfect, it's simple, and it's easy. But again, you need to have some good basics with JavaScript in order to understand what's happening. If you're not really good with JavaScript alone, then TypeScript would be too overwhelming for you. So ignore it. So don't try to learn complete language. Just if you are confident in JavaScript, then jump into TypeScript. It's nothing. It's more type safety. So you need to define what you're trying to do so that TypeScript knows what that function does in a better way. So if you're not interested in these, I always go directly. If I want to learn Golang, I will go to Golang website and see what they are suggesting in this learn section. What are they suggesting? Because they want you to learn by example. So go with examples and hello world. This is the hello world. For if you want to learn for loops, this is the for loops. These are the basics. And then comes custom errors. See, look how scary it is. Look how scary it is. But when you cover these sections, it won't be that scary. Okay, man. Thank you, bro. I felt everything overwhelming. I was finding CSS hard as well, but my friend said you not have to learn the whole syntax. Exactly. I sent it my website preview. Check it. I shared ng link. Okay. Why are so? There is one tip for you guys who feel afraid of learning TypeScript or Golang and anything. Those languages won't hurt you. Those are not real life people. They do what you tell them to do. The moment you feel scared about it, that means you are not confident or you don't know what buttons you're trying to press. So don't try to learn all buttons on the keyboard. Just start it and think, okay, I want the background to be having a red color. Then learn how to put a red color in CSS, in TypeScript. Oh, I like to define my own types. Then go search for type keyword in type. So in that way, you can learn piece by piece so that it will save you time and you won't feel scared. But unless you want, okay, in one day I want to learn whole TypeScript. Yes, let's watch some 10 hours video. Obviously, you'll be getting basics. No jokes on them. Those are wonderful. But you will feel scared when you actually type TypeScript. Yeah. So you have sent me a preview. Where is it? Thank you, Manas. Come on, bro. Yeah, I thought about this. Let me no throttle performance. Yeah, no throttle. Yeah. Hope it loads fast. It takes some time, but it's fine. I will let it open. I will let it stay like that. So, Manas, gaming kids, if you want to learn something, put your hands so that it takes some time to do a start. But once you have the fundamentals, it's going to be easy. And you only need to learn one language for that. You don't have to do the same thing for Golang and TypeScript. Once you are good at one language, it's not that hard to switch to a different language. It's hardly just a syntax and different mindset. That's it. So Manas, what are your hobbies? Do you have any projects which you want me to look at? Do you have any resume or a website or a portfolio or something? So anyways, you're using the speak command. Jagdeep and Manas, are you afraid of speak command? Are you afraid of that exclamation mark? It's free. Jagdeep has 700 points. Before you reach 1000, I need to start doing something with those points. Is everything all right with your website, bro? I think it has some course error or something. Okay, you are using WebSockets. This won't work in that way. So, Manas, you have a lead code profile. See, I'm not overconfident, but I feel like I am a better dev. I have like 4 years of work professional. I don't know, man. So this won't work in that way, bro. When you're using WebSocket, WebSocket needs to have its own section, and this your app doesn't know how to handle this. It's saying 4, not 4. Why do you have these many WebSockets, by the way? Are these the same WebSockets? Yeah, looks like they are. Why are you using WebSockets? Yeah, one is still pending, and then this opens again. What was the need of WebSocket? For your project, I don't think a WebSocket is needed until you are doing some live notification from one user to another user. Okay, portfolio, Bongacha, don't put much load on portfolio. Just take someone else's. No one really cares about portfolios these days unless you have some shiny things to show. Like Manas, he has solved a lot of lead codes, so he can have a portfolio to show his lead codes. Jagdeep Singh has made some projects, so he can have a portfolio and show that portfolio. I mean, those projects inside a portfolio. If your only project is a portfolio, then don't do a portfolio. Just took somebody's portfolios and do it. I will go straight into JavaScript now. So Manas, I was saying this. I would be more confident in myself if I have the lead code skills like you have. Development is fun. I would suggest you to do it, obviously. I share images. Yes, I am waiting for it. See, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. No icons, bro. Mentos land. Projecta, practista. It looks beautiful. Is it lorem? Are you using like some random words? Filler? It's fine. It's fine. I'm just observing things. So congratulations, Manas. You have 30 points. Well, let's celebrate. Let's celebrate our new friends' 30 points things. Yeah, random words. Yep. It looks beautiful, bro. I don't really get much UI ideas. I get it, but I don't. I feel lazy. So yeah, Manas, congratulations on 30 points. Peace. There are other cool things I have told you for 3 times, but you don't want to explore, so I'm not going to show them. I feel hurt. I feel underappreciated, but it's fine. Just joking. Yeah. So I think this website is done. Let's see how it looks on live. Blazing Brain. See, this shit is still loading. I'm also like trying to open the same website in my phone. I guess there is some video, so I took it. I take it from my server. Okay, okay. Why are you using videos? See, on front page, do not put heavy resource things unless you hosted it and your domain or whatever hosting platform you're using provides a cached system. Other than that, don't post it. Even icons are enough. That's the reason most websites nowadays don't really have videos inside them. They might have animated GIFs or SVGs, but that's it. So let's go to this website, Cloudflare. Let's fucking log out. So do you think this is a video? This is not a video. This is damn SVG. See, it's an SVG. It's an animated SVG. Oh, my ping is okay. Okay, no problem. So yeah, don't if you want to do some images or funky things, then it's something. Oh, this thing is looks good. It's stuttery, but it looks good. It's an image. I think probably it's a GIF. Yeah, it's a GIF. Sure. So what are you talking? What am I saying? Yeah, I feel I have a lot of icons. I think I need to change them to SVGs. Let me see what media I have. What are the things which are pending still? It's still loading. Why is it still loading? Why is it still loading? Empty cache and refresh. There should be something for that. Man, if you want, you can contribute for Angular courses. I will be so helpful. I understand, but I'm just too lazy. Apart from this live stream, I don't really have any interest to do anything. I'm just being straight. Uh, what is image? I don't know why it's disable cache. Okay. How can I do a hard refresh in Firefox? How hard refresh in Firefox? Control Shift R. How it's loading fast. Take care, man. I will go for dinner and start studying. See you soon. Karorpati. Yep. Karor Blazing Bane. Sounds good. CR Blazing Bane. We'll see. I'm just too lazy, bro. I also need to work on this, but I'm not really advocating this to anyone, so it's okay. Anyway, thanks for joining, Mons. Thanks for the sub. I don't know why that stupid other didn't work when you sub, but it's okay. How many subscribers do you have now? नहीं तो शाम तक. Is it 2010? There are only 3 people watching. So sad. It's okay. I understand. So yeah, I need to start working on those dynamic commands. I need to start working on those dynamic commands where I put a command inside this and it show. Yeah, I forgot about that project completely, but I will ask for help. No problem. Help, I can do it. Where is the commands list? Commands list here. Yeah, I know how I want this website to look, but I don't want to put some effort because first I need to focus on my YouTube so that I can get some decent viewers. That's the right time to work on this. Hmm, that's cool. Okay, we are done. We are done. How much time is it? 11:41. It's only 9 p.m. in India, so I have a lot more time. So in the meantime, let's start with the project. Let's see. Streamer bot will streamer bot has some welcome command. This is the welcome command. It says it doesn't do anything. Overlays Jeff. So it says welcome. So let's try that. I don't know if it would work or not. So welcome. It doesn't even make any sounds. Probably I stopped working in between. I'm also hiding the lines. That I didn't really hear that, so that's okay. So for some reason that didn't work. So next, we can this audio also didn't work. So when I said welcome, it came to lines. Let's see. When I type welcome in my chat, that should trigger this. It's not happening. Why? 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 Did I spell it wrong? No. You know what? Let's place it all the way to the down to see if this thing works or not. Okay. Okay, let's place welcome. So the part is working. Then why? Oh, I think the browser resource didn't work. Yeah, probably the browser resource didn't work. Okay, I can fix it. Let's see. What is the syntax for that? Team assistant open. Oh no. So yeah, right here. So uh, did I make any changes recently? What was I trying to do here? Test. Was I trying to do something? Just message sent. And notification. I don't even know what was I trying to do here. Okay, it's fine. Initializing Go database. What is the reason for that? What is the reason for using Go database? Okay, I just replaced it inside this. Uh, Test. Alert type like. Let's see. If I have this, my postman should have some information. So let me see. I'm trying to make an API call. So I don't think I made any changes. Post, take messages. No, test, test. Does it have test? No, 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 no. I don't remember what I'm trying to do. So yeah, this has been just changed into add notification. That's fine. Okay. What is this? You know what? Go run. Oh, CD alerts. Go run. Go. Let's see. What is this? Connected to Mongo. I think. Oh, I think I worked with database or something like that. Alert type like. Oh, is it just like lakes or something? That I was doing for the website. I don't think that's needed. So bye bye. This is not needed anymore. Yeah. So what I'm doing here, those are fine, fine, those are fine. So yeah, once I have those commands, it will have the entire list. That was the main idea. But in order to show that, I need to have a list where I can go, okay, these are the commands I have in channel. So, oh, am I too close? Was I too close until now? Maybe I need to increase that 1 second. not that way. To the left, a little bit to the right. Oh, that's it. Decrease. I think this is fine. This is looking okay, even if I come from. This is fine. Bigness mistake. Play messages. Okay, this is the final WebSocket. Fine. Moment I got the Mongo keyword, GIF URL. Oh, this is what I was trying to do. Okay, GIF URL. So was I trying to save this URL in Mongo? But I already have the alternate, but I don't think that's necessary. The GIF. Jagdeep, bro, can we use video calling without using libraries like Twilo? I want to reduce prices. I'll be honest, I haven't used video calling. I'm not sure. But Twilo is the only one which is reliable. That's what I think. But yeah, you can search the internet. Let me look for it for you. This is working. This is working. This is working. This is working. I think something is missing. The welcome is really working as expected. What is nice? What do you remember? What is nice? Okay, yeah, I forgot. Let me see. Who's going to kill? Are you trying to build something for your own? Let's say ChatGPT. I don't know. I'm exploring this for the first time. I do have some ideas, but how to implement it if I don't have a solution? Are there enable internet search? How to have a free video call feature in a website for users to use it? Okay, okay, that's fine. WebRTC custom integration. Why is appearing and allows you to add video calling to your website with few lines of code. It features okay. Uh, are these free? Have you heard about this? I don't know. I'm just searching this for the first time. By fast few lines of HTML, you can create video call experience tailored for your needs. This approach is suitable for developers comfortable with basic coding. But I want to know how should we do it using Django and React. I don't know. Yeah, obviously with the API, yeah, with an API call, we can use any language, Agora and Flare. So what is this? See, WebRTC is the only standard I know. You can implement your own WebRTC real-time communication. If you are good with it, then yeah, we can use WebRTC. This is again an industry standard. So if obviously you need to have a dedicated server of your own in order for you to save some, but it's up to you. There is other like peer-to-peer server without WebRTC. So yeah, if you want to do this is one option, WebRTC. But I haven't implemented WebRTC on my own. I don't know how that works. How to implement web. So for one to one person, you don't need a server. But if you want to add group, then you need a server for WebRTC. So this WebRTC for one to one. Access media files, establish speed connections, implement a single signaling server, yada yada, test and optimize WebRTC. I want to use it for video and want more than what it will cost. Like we do have code execution, authentication, video call, and real-time collab. It's still. I didn't understand the last thing. So instead of capturing from a local video, we are going to use webcam or whatever the camera the user is connecting to, and then we enable a peer connection. Think, okay, I want more than what it could cost. Like we have a code execution, real-time collab. Yep. So this thing, I'm not sure. I haven't done it personally or even professionally. Even at work, we use Twilo calling. So I'm sorry, I don't know. I was thinking to do a multi-stream while I'm doing this thing. I also want to stream vertical so that maybe I can get more viewers. Do you think it's worth it? I'll give it a try someday. So in the meantime, I have this. Uh, is there a reason people are disliking my stream? Is that you? Repeat it. Repeat what? No, I mean not for video calling, but for whole project. So you do you want like videos to be streamed or you want people communicating? Doesn't matter if you want a video to be streamed to a lot of people, then obviously you need to have a video that will be sent. Instead of sending the direct video, we use M3U8 or HLS methodologies, which is an industry standard. And then if you want to use a video call, I don't know, I haven't done it personally. Yeah, I can explore the internet and give suggestions, but I don't think that's what you're after. You can also do the same like I do. So what I'm thinking is while doing a horizontal stream, I would like to use another phone sitting. Yeah, yeah. I would like to use another phone to stream vertical as a separate stream on YouTube. Maybe that way I can get more viewers, like new people on my stream. Were you saying repeat it for this or for this topic? How can you be so selfish, like that? So selfish, man. So who was the person who disliked my stream? Was it you? I think it's you. What was it trying to do? Hmm. So the URL, once the GIF is loaded to the URL, it should show it. I don't know why it's not showing, but it should show it. So, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Fine. And I don't, but that's my officially first dislike. Huh. Okay, we had this. I only streamed for 40 minutes. Yeah, we have to try it once. So I don't. I still want to stream this landscape because that's the ultimate way you can enjoy like the code and everything. So I do have another phone. I would just put it somewhere here. Let me see if I have it here. Does it obstruct the view? There is extra light. So I think it's here. No, it's here. This seems fine. There is a lot of light coming from this direction. So if I cover it in this way, oh, I don't know. I don't know. So YouTube, let me clear up my lenses. Probably it's dirty. So I go live in this way. I open direct YouTube app, no nothing fancy. Just post it here. ठीक है. This is actually a perfect view, but I don't know how can I hold it up in this position. Oh, it's coming inside my string. Okay. How about this? I think this is fine. Yeah. Okay. I will do this. Show my face. Okay, this is fine. Uh, I have this character for some reason. We'll use this. I'll post it somewhere here. So this is where I usually sit. So I need to hold my phone up here. In here. Okay, in this way. Here, right here. So I do have a tripod. Let's set these things. This thing is will only extend until here. Then focus here. It's sitting right there, but no, I want it somewhere else. Okay, maybe this way. Probably I need to use tripod, which is fine. I do have a tripod as well. So let me connect it. This is the tripod. Okay. Then we have to raise it more, a little bit more height. This is fine. It's up. So somewhere here. Let's rotate it. Okay. Yeah, and then we boost. Yep. Okay. And then I have to tilt it. So in this way, if I sit in here, you can go a little bit closer. It's fine. Yep. All I need is another mic. Then, let's start doing this. You know, coding. I don't know, for some reason, I don't know how to set the resolution for this. Let me change it. It should be here. Yeah, take thumbnail, yes. No, take one more, please. fine. Okay. Advanced settings. Where is the resolution and everything? Wait, that's the final thing. Go live. Okay. If that's the thing to press, then sure. Okay, it's still a bit height. It's still sitting. Okay, that's standard. Is it fine now? Fine. Okay, let's put it on charge and use it. So I'm still here. If you guys are wondering, I'm still here. Yeah, this seems fine. Let's try. Is it showing my front camera? No, turn my back camera on. Basically, there are two live streams now, one doing vertical and one doing horizontal. I don't know, I don't care, it's fine. I'll let it run it in that way. We shall see. Do I need headphones so that it can actually hear what I'm going to say? Let's connect some headphones so that it can see. So basically, it's a multi-stream. I'm going to stream two videos. It's somewhere on the top. Okay, I got the headphone jack. So let's rotate it. Yeah. Okay. Hello, mic check. Mic. Okay. It's not really all the the live. Okay. This height-wise, this is fine. I think I can bring it a little bit more closer. So don't know how does it this would look now. I think it should look fine. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Could I decrease it? Yeah, this is fine. So I'm going to do two streams. So it's a little bit bright, but it's fine. Okay, so MongoDB is connected. The only thing I need to do now is pull in this information and then deal with it. I also have a stand so that I can view what's happening here. So MongoDB is connected. I have some data inside the database. The only thing which is not working now. Hey, Iconic, welcome to the stream, bro. Respect. Back to gaming. What's up, Iconic? Long time no see. Hey, thanks for one like, guys. Thank you. So, whoever watching in vertical stream, if you want to watch it in the horizontal, you can still do it. I think it's better to turn on chat in the vertical stream. Let me try doing it. Thanks for the like, bro. I forgot to turn on the face things, but yeah. Thanks for the like, Iconic. I know it's you. Thank you. Let me try enabling this. I don't know if I enable the chat or not. Let me, I think it's better to enable the chat. Save. Can you guys see the chat now? Okay. I think it's a lot bright for some reason. Maybe I need to cover up this section. You can have some shadow. Let me see. Yeah, it's getting a little bit more light. Does it make any difference?
So too iconic says, nice keyboard BTW.
You came from that stream to here? Is it how it worked? I mean, yeah, it's a what do you call it? What do you call it? The less height keyboard, low profile? Yeah, it's a low profile keyboard. I love this. It's wireless and it can also connect to 3 different devices. Show my face. So yeah, it can be connected for this one using this. It can be connected to direct dongle, and this option is for Bluetooth first device, and the next option is for Bluetooth second device. So with this one keyboard, I connect my gaming PC, my streaming PC, and my work PC. If you might ask, when I instead of coding, if I am playing some games, I will use this keyboard. It's a cool keyboard too. Iconic, did you come from my vertical stream to this stream? Is that so? Yeah. So that's the thing. I'm trying to do vertical as well as this horizontal thing. Why? So during vertical, I can get maybe a little bit more viewers so that I can lure them into from my vertical to horizontal. But I was thinking, I think you can suggest me this. Do you think it's better to have the chat open in vertical stream? If I can close down the chat and tell them, or maybe they can come to my profile. I felt okay, it's better to open the chat so that they can type it here. I can see it, and then I feel like, okay, you guys are in the wrong stream. Join this one. That's fine. Back to gaming. Back to gaming. I am back. So Jagdeep, I currently have 2 streams now. So both are working fine. Iconic is here. Should I bring it in a little bit? Maybe up close. Should I decrease the height? I don't know how it looks. I think it's better to do some height. 1 second. It's too high. It's on too height. So I'll decrease it somewhere here. Let's see. Jagdeep, who came from that stream to this stream. It didn't really make any difference. So I think I can decrease it a little more. So whatever you chat here, those are not really monitored yet. So think about it. Yep. Let's see now. Yeah, I think this is fine now. So there is a lot of light coming falling on the sensor. If I decrease it, I'm having my face, a hand. Why? Where is the shine coming from? Is it because of the light? If I drop the light, how does it look? Obviously, I won't look that good, but let's see. No, it's not because of the light. There is something else reflecting on my screen. I don't know what that is. I think it's hmm, there's something else reflecting. Maybe it's the light from my window. Yeah, my voice is kind of different because of this. I'm using this earphones. Why? If you ask, so that I'll have it in this way. I'm using this earphones. Do you think if I remove my earphones, tell me if it sounds any good or not? Do you think if I remove it sounds any good or not? It's fine. So I'll keep the earphones. It also drops some noise cancellation, etc. So yeah, again, I don't have any speak commands or stuff on those vertical streams. I can do something. I can have a display, a small display here where it reacts to my overlays, which happens. That's one thing I can do. Yeah. Okay, what was I doing? Yeah, okay. So maybe I need to decrease the light. It's spilling some light. Yeah, that's the light from the window. Okay. I I do have everything closed down. I don't have another option. It's just too bright outside. Okay, let's focus on this thing. I don't need this. Did I tell you, Jagdeep, that I figured out a way to have those speak commands on this? Did I tell you? Previously, I was telling you that I do need this speak commands, this overlays, and everything. I made it work. So this is what I did. Excalibur. I felt really intelligent in that. I was happy about myself. So the first idea was obviously to have a website which has during a WebSocket which will have all the alerts. Let's say a speak command. So the speak command HTML will be here. The custom GIFs will be here. The like animations will be here. After I realizing it was a lot of work. So what I'm doing now is whenever I start a project, I think, is it efficient? Is it really needed? Is it worth the time I spend on it? I felt no, not really. And then I find some obviously coarse issues and other issues when I open up a browser in my Chromebook here, which is basically right there. So that was the idea, to have the whole Chromebook and then show the overlays. Then I realized use it was not working as I expected. That means I need to do a lot of changes. There needs to be a lot of other things. Then I realized in OBS Are you familiar with OBS? I think I can give you an example. So in OBS, we can project our whatever scene we are doing to to a new display. So something like the skip version, apply, that's fine. It's not working. Okay, GIF scene. Let me post a GIF in here. Do I have it or not? I don't know. I don't know. We used to have it in live. Let's use this. Let's use this. It's fine. Okay. You see this video? So let's imagine that this is an output. This is the overlay. Come on, dude. Loop. This is the overlay which I want to show. Someone liked and it happened. So I instead of having this video in a website and let the browser handle it, what I did, I just right clicked on it and pressed project. So now you can see the whole overlay is projected as a display. So I don't really need to maintain a new website. I just need I need to find a way to export this to my Chromebook. And obviously it's a shitty laptop, it's a Chromebook, it doesn't really support direct USB injection. So what I did, I need to wirelessly send this footage to my video. Wirelessly in means using Wi-Fi. So there is an application called Space Desk. So using this, we can connect any Android or any Chromebook and convert it as a third display. So something like this. So your Windows machine without any wires, free USB and Wi-Fi display extension. So what it does, let's say you have enough with this video, bro. So yeah, something like this. We can in my Windows there will be a server and it's going to send that footage. Or basically, I'm just connecting my Chromebook as a third display and it's going to show them there. I can pass in the audio. It was working extremely fine. I was so happy with it. It was working fine. What else I would need? It was awesome. But there are few other issues. The sound delay. Let's say the event happens on my streaming PC. The footage will be right away, but it would take a lot of time to send the audio first. First, it sends the video, then sends the audio. Probably it's sending both at the same time. But I wish instead of Chromebook, I had a Windows or a Linux laptop. It could have worked a lot better. I wouldn't need the software as well. I could have just connected using a wire and it would work fine. So then I realized instead of using the Chromebook, why not use this Android phone which is currently standing, which I did and it was working fine. So this is how it worked. I will show it to you. I was so happy with it. I mean, with some junk, I made it work, so I was happy. Is that an ad? So live somewhere here, somewhere here. Oh, I don't know which one is it. Yeah, this is the one. So you can see I had a Chromebook right there, and it has some Windows looking thing because it's a third display. So what I did, I just so this is how it looks. So the time you are seeing on my right was enlarged and kept there. And if someone likes, I think someone did at some point. Hmm, I don't. No one liked at some point, but yeah, like that, right there, right there. So I was explaining things. So I think I'd probably set a speak command or something. Let's see. Just 1 minute. So yeah, you can see some speak command happened there. So that's how it would look. So with this Chromebook, I made it work and it was working fine. So issues. First issue, people won't be able to hear what's happening on my screen or the game which I'm playing because obviously the phone is on different place. And so that's the reason I use this wired earphones and placed it next to my PC so that it can also have some sound. It was working fine. So the entire setup was working. So I would like to continue the same thing. So the same Chromebook style videos. Yeah. After the stream, I'll set those up. I will have my Chromebook right here so that people can see. I need to find a way to cover those, but that's for some time later. I wish I had a Windows laptop. That would have saved a lot of time for me. Okay, this seems fine. Uh, the welcome command and etc. those are not working, but I don't think those are what holding my channel back. So I might ignore those upgrades and work on something else. So Iconic, how was your day, man? It's been a long time you joined my stream. Restarting WSL because it's needed. Hmm. What quality am I streaming in? In the vertical? 720p, that's fine. It looks fine. Not as good as I expect, but it's fine. Interesting to say at least. It's fine. I would like to play some games. Do you think it's okay if I play a game? Yep, let's. I will. The choice is yours. What game you want me to play? What time is it? It's 10. Okay, perfectly right time. So, play. Do you want me to play PUBG or Fortnite? I have a lot of games like Battlefield, etc. as well. I have Battlefield 1, Battlefield 2042, Battlefield 4, Battlefield 5, a lot of other games. The choice is yours. If you want, let's play Fortnite. That game is getting too difficult these days. I'm feeling hungry. I'll go get some lunch and I'll be back streaming Fortnite. I think that's a better way. Okay. I feel I'm starving actually, so I'll go get some lunch and then play this game. I need to find a way to hide that sun. It's bringing a lot of light on my monitor, but I don't know. The colors look different in the vertical stream. Something needs improvement. I can play one match. I think it's fine. I'll play a match and then start with the game. So for the sound, this works fine. They can hear my voice properly, but I need them to hear me from my other mic. So I need to find a way to bring that audio to this device. Mr. Starving. Nah, I'm not leaving right away. I'm not leaving right away. I'll just play one match and then go for lunch. I see. I see, I see. Okay. Here comes my gaming keyboard. I'm going to connect that gaming keyboard and I'm going wireless now. So I'm removing my wire from my mouse and then I'm back in action. Red switches. These are not really. It's Ant Esports. I got it in 2019 in India. I'm still using this. I think these are blue switch replications. These are not really cherry MX. But that's fine. It's fine. I think it's too. Do you guys think it's too loud? I might increase a little bit. This is fine. So this is my wireless. My what do you call it? Wireless mouse. It's a good. I mostly stay on the budget. Oh, you have the red version for anti-sports. So I wish I know about blue and red when I was buying those things. I just bought whatever was the cheapest. I got this keyboard for 1600. I really like. Well, a wireless mouse is a hamster. Once we go wireless, it's hard to go wired again. Wireless is so convenient. It it removes some clusters on our desk. It feels good. Am I playing solo? How's the quality looking? Iconic? Is it fine? I'm streaming 1080p. Let me warm up my hand. Come on, drop somewhere. Drop somewhere. I hate this dropping strategy. Okay, let's go there. Probably no one's. It's for me, that's cool. Okay, I'm here. Okay, weapons. Okay, good weapons. Take everything. Take everything. Take that thing. There's something up above. So I think, yep. Wish I don't die. Is that a glitch? I don't see my scope. I see my scope for this. Okay. Poor fella. Sorry. I was having an advantage there. Get up. No, I'm not going up. I could have opened the door like a normal human being. What weapon is this? Take it. It's taking some time. It's taking some time. Okay, that's done. Put this up. These are the same weapons. Take this. Oh, this is a good weapon. Swap. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, is that a bot or something? He didn't even move. He didn't even. After looting this area, I'll move to some different position. Oh, this is a good weapon as well. Is this what I'm using right now? I think I can drop this. I want to use this weapon. This is so fun. Someone's here. Okay, okay, easy, easy, easy. Nice. Uh, For some reason, I like heavy damage pistols. I enjoy that. There's something here. Okay, what is that? That's done. I got 3 kills by now. Okay, let's see if I can find anyone. Okay, there's no one behind the zone, so let's find a vehicle. Welcome to the stream, by the way, people. If anyone wants to play with me, happy to help. Just what is this? Well, I think I could have used that launchpad. Could have saved me some time, but the zone is right next to me, so it's okay. I'm not worried about it that much. Oh, this thing's fun. Oh, I have seen someone here. I heard fightings. They might have left. Oh, yeah, right there in the vehicle. Above me. Is there a zip line or some sort? Can't climb it? That's unfair. No, there's right here. What is that? Where is he? There needs to be an enemy somewhere here. I think he left for some reason. I don't see him anymore. I had a car somewhere down there. Okay, I might have left it somewhere. Okay, on my foot again, trying to find an enemy. No, he's right there. He probably stole my vehicle. Oh no, it's a Jeep. It's not mine. Why did you hit me, bro? I don't know. Is it a new glitch? I don't know. Vehicles in the gas station. Oh no, he should be right in here. There's a vehicle over here. Then probably he might have stopped. Is this an Airbnb? Okay, there you go. There's a fight nearby. Let's. Ah no. Do. One shot. One shot. Thank you so much. Oh, I was so scared of him. Oh, yep. Okay, he had these. I don't think I need this, so let's change it. This is a powerful weapon. Let's keep this. In the meantime, I also need to heal. The zone is closing by. Oh, is that the same weapon? I don't know. So cool, yeah. Oh, you're still watching. Oh, I thought I would be dead. I honestly thought I would be dead. But the bad thing is, he was running away, and I was also running away. He thought I won't be reaching him, so I thought he might be healing or something. भाई थोड़ा काम है जाना होगा. No problem, Jagdeep. See you again. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. I need to bring the game sound and rest of the sound outside so that my mobile, the vertical stream people can also listen what I'm trying to say or what the game sound is. Some players are really good in this game, you know. Uh, there was a time I was like, Fortnite, it's too easy. But now, zero build, it's good. Hmm. I don't see any enemies nearby. There's someone fighting next. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, pushing, pushing. Is that no? Where are they? There was someone here. Pull at. I wasn't really able to see much. Okay, he's a good dude. Oh, oh, didn't even hit a single shot, man. Ah, amazing, amazing. I I wasn't even able to see hit a single shot. That's the thing. There are some nice people. It's the game is getting difficult and difficult, which is a good thing. All right, I'll go get some lunch and then I'll be back. All right, peace. See you again tomorrow or probably tomorrow for you guys. Bye.